Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll just check how we can change some of the properties of the components. So in the previous video, we had used this login page. We'll make changes in the properties for the same login page. Let's execute it. So when you executed this, you got this login page. If you can observe here, there is no title given here. If you see here, there is a title given as Java Projects Netbeans IDE 8.2. So similarly, we can also have title to our frame. Let's check how that can be done. Select the jFrame. So here there is an option or a property called as title. So under properties, there is a title. You can change the title of this frame. It can be given as login system. So when you execute it, earlier there was nothing here. Now the title is login system. So if you are doing any project, you can give it as your project title hyphen login. So you can also give it in this way. If you are doing any projects, then your project title will appear here hyphen login. Now if you want to change the background color of this frame, so it is just a gray color. We don't want this gray color. Let's change the color of this frame. To change background color of a frame, just include the statement get content pane dot set background. So here by default it gives red color. When you execute it, it looks something like this. You can also change this color. So if you don't want red, so these are the colors available, so you can choose any one color. The color selected is yellow. So this is how it looks. So if there are many colors available, you can change the colors and just check how it looks. Now suppose if you want to add an image here within a frame, if you want to add an image, select a label. You can add an image to this label. Select this label 3. Here there is an option called as icon. Select external image, browse local disk. So there is this login image which I have already downloaded. So I want to insert this image in label 3. So there is an option called as icon. Select this icon, check this external image and click OK. So the image is added here. As you can see, the image is added. You can drag and drop and resize it. Let's run and check how it looks now. So it looks something like this. So this lock image is already downloaded. I have inserted the same image in label. You can also change the font size, font style of this label. So select the label. Here there is an option called as font. Click here and you can change the font style, whichever style, font size and also the font style and also the size here. So check whichever option is required, you select it and press on OK. So the font style size is changed. Let's run and check it. This is how it looks when you change the font style size, so you can note the difference. You can also change the color of this enter username. For that, select this foreground option. The color palette is available here. Select the color of your choice. So this is how it looks when you change the color. You can also add border to this label enter username. So there is a property called as border available. Select this border. You can select the line border or any type of border available here. You can also change the color of the border, and if you want rounded corners, just check it. You can also change the thickness of this font. Click OK, run the project and see the difference. So here there is a border for this label. In the same way, you can also change font style, font color, font size of this text fields. So for that, select this text field. Here there is a font. Change the font size, font type, font style and all. Click on OK. So when you run it, this is how it looks when you change the some of the properties of font. You can also change the background color of this text field. For that, select background. So again the color palette appears. You can select any of the color of your choice. So the background of this text field is changed. So now you can see how the background is changed. You can type the username and password. Similarly, you can make changes to these buttons. Try changing the properties of buttons in the same way: font, font size, font color. You can also add an image. Instead of text, you can also have an icon or image as the content of this button. To try to make these changes and check what will be the output. That's all for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.